guys, I'm at my in-laws house. It's beautiful here, and I made some cold brew coffee because it's delicious, and I wanted to show you guys how to make it because it's incredibly easy, and once you know how to make it, you'll be making it all summer long. All right, I'm showing you outside because it's just so pretty outside today. So what I did at home was I ground up 3/4 cup of beans. I ground those into like a really big grind, so not finely ground. And then I just put them in my jar and brought it to my in-laws. And then once I got here, I added water. So I just filled it to the top. And then I let this hang out for, this has been about 14 or 16 hours, but 12 hours, at least 12 hours is what you'd want to aim for. Next, I have this set up here. Now, ideally, you'd want to do a mesh strainer, but I couldn't find one. I'm sure my mother-in-law has one. I just couldn't find it. And I brought this cheesecloth, and then it's nice to have a big container to pour it into. So I'm just going to pour this through here, and then this makes the cold brew concentrate. I'll show you. Hang on one sec. Okay, so now that that's all strained and that sat for about 5 minutes to let everything drip through, now you have your concentrate, and I rinsed out my glass, and I'm just going to pour it back in, and that's that. Keep it in the fridge. It'll keep for about 2 weeks. You can make more, at a time. There's going to be a little bit of dregs in the bottom. I won't pour that in. And that's that. So you mix this with water, ice, and a little bit of milk. You take out whatever you'd like, a cup at a time, and that's how you make cold brew concentrate. That's it. So I have my glass here. I like really strong coffee, so I don't put any water in it. I just do it over ice, and then as the ice melts, it's good. But if you like weaker coffee, then add a little bit of water, or just whatever creamer, milk, almond milk, whatever you typically add. And then you can have really delicious iced coffee that's really easy and inexpensive to make.